London, the 1940s. A city under siege, yet a monumental task was underway, the rebuilding of Waterloo Bridge. This wasn't just any construction project, it was a symbol of resilience, a testament to a nation's unwavering spirit. But who built this iconic structure during such tumultuous times? The answer lies in an often overlooked chapter of history, the women of wartime Britain. With men away fighting, women stepped into roles previously deemed impossible for them. They became the backbone of the home front, including the heavy construction industry. Hundreds of women, from all walks of life, converged on the Thames. They were welders, riveters, crane operators and laborers, performing tasks that demanded immense physical strength and technical skill. Imagine the grit, the determination, as they navigated dangerous conditions daily. One woman, a former shop assistant, recalled the shock of her first day. The noise, the sheer scale of it, she'd said, but we learned quickly we had to. Their hands, once accustomed to domestic chores, now wielded tools of industry. The construction of Waterloo Bridge stretched over a decade, from 1937 to 1945. Why such a protracted timeline for a vital piece of infrastructure? The answer is complex, deeply intertwined with the global conflict. Wartime rationing meant severe shortages of steel, concrete, and other essential materials. Bombing raids frequently halted work, forcing evacuations and repairs to the site itself. Every resource was prioritized for the war effort, making bridge construction a secondary concern. Despite these immense challenges, the women persevered. They worked through air raids, blackouts, and the constant threat of invasion. Their dedication was unwavering, driven by a profound sense of duty and a desire to contribute. The bridge, affectionately known as the Ladies' Bridge, stands as a powerful monument to their extraordinary efforts. It's a testament to the strength, adaptability, and quiet heroism of women who built not just a bridge, but a lasting legacy of empowerment. Their story reminds us that history is often shaped by the hands we least expect.